Hello again. Thanks for watching this video and studying your math with me. The topic of this video is addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. As always, you should read your book because there are different examples and more insights there, and you should start and stop this video to ensure you understand the material. We are going to be talking about algebraic expressions. That means there are no equal signs, and algebraic expressions are composed of terms. A term is something that is separated by a plus or minus sign. If a given expression is made up of the product of a number of quantities, each of these quantities or any product of them is called a factor of the expression. If there's one term, it is called a polynomial. Two terms is called a binomial, and three terms is called a trinomial. The numerical factor is called the coefficient. We will be combining like terms. Like terms have the same variables and the same exponents. Here's an example where we're looking to simplify. So pause the video and let's see how you do. So you see one set of terms has xy squared, the other one has x squared y squared. So we do these single underscored and double underscored, and we can only combine those that are like variables and like exponents. So this is the final answer we come up with for this problem. Let's look at another example. A little more complicated here because we have to distribute these coefficients before we simplify. Notice that this is a -1 coefficient here. Let's see how you do. The single underscores are x's and the net is -8x, and the net of the y's is positive y. A more complicated example with nested parentheses. We go to the innermost parentheses first and begin solving there, combining like terms as we go. Pause the video and let's see how you do. When we distribute this -2, notice that we get 4x and then -3x, which simplifies to x. Now what we're going to do is distribute this minus sign, changing the signs, and notice that this x will cancel with that x. We will also simplify this to have -12. Distributing the -2 and collecting like terms, the a squareds, we get the final answer. We close with a word problem. Each of two suppliers has 2 N+1 bundles of shingles costing $30 each and N-2 bundles costing $20 each. How much more is the total value of the $30 bundles than the $20 bundles? Pause the video and let's see how you did. There's the two suppliers. Here is the value of the $30 bundles, subtracting the value of the $20 bundles. We distribute. Notice a minus times a minus is a plus. We finally distribute the 2, and that's the answer that we should get. In closing, time is precious. Each day must count. Do the math. It'll make you strong. Take care, and I'll see you in class.